Hello friends, myself Amar Sonone. In this video, I will talk about the main terms used in the internal combustion engine. First term is the bore. It is denoted by capital D. It is the inner diameter of the engine cylinder. Bore sizes of engine may range from 0.5 cm to 0.5 meter. Next is the dead centers. In case of vertical engines, they are called as top dead center and bottom dead center. Top dead center is the topmost position of the piston inside the engine cylinder. Bottom dead center is the bottommost position of the piston inside the engine cylinder. Between these two center, piston move inside the engine cylinder. In case of horizontal engines, top dead center and bottom dead center are called as inner dead center and outer dead center respectively. Next is the stroke. It is denoted by L. It is the single travel of piston from top dead center towards bottom dead center or vice versa. It is called as piston stroke or stroke length. If bore diameter is equal to stroke length, then it is square type of engine. If stroke length is greater than bore diameter, then it is undersquare type of engine. If stroke length is lesser than the bore diameter, then it is over square type of engine. In case of over square type of engine, as stroke length is lesser, that means piston have to move less distance inside the engine cylinder. Hence there are low frictional losses in case of over square type of engine. Next is the clearance volume. It is denoted by V suffix C. It is the space between cylinder head and top dead center. It is called as clearance volume. It is the space which is available for the combustion of air and fuel mixture. Next is the swept volume. It is denoted by V suffix S. It is the volume swept by piston from top dead center towards bottom dead center during its motion. Is called as swept volume or displaced volume by the piston. It is denoted by V suffix S, which is equal to area of the piston multiplied with the stroke length, where area of the piston is nothing but pi by 4 multiplied with bore diameter square multiplied with stroke length. This is the formula for the swept volume. This is for single cylinder engine. If there are more than one cylinder, then it need to be multiplied with K, which indicates the total number of cylinders. V suffix D is the total cylinder volume. That is the sum of clearance volume and swept volume. Next is the compression ratio. It is denoted by small r. It is the ratio of total cylinder volume to clearance volume. That is V suffix D upon V suffix C, where V suffix D is the total cylinder volume and V suffix C is the clearance volume. Compression ratio is the important term used in the internal combustion engine. As efficiency depends on the compression ratio, higher is the compression ratio, higher is the efficiency. In case of spark ignition engine or petrol engine, the value of compression ratio may range from 5 to 9, while in case of compression ignition engine or diesel engine, it may ranges from 14 to 22. Due to high compression ratio, in case of diesel engine, it have high efficiency than petrol engine. Next is the cylinder capacity. It is also called as cubic capacity of the engine. It is the basis for the comparison of different engine sizes. Cylinder capacity can be calculated by knowing the swept volume for cylinder, that is V S, multiplying it with the number of cylinders, that is K. So here we have to take swept volume of each cylinder and then multiply it with the number of cylinder. If there is 4-cylinder engine, then we have to take swept volume of 4 cylinder and then multiply it with the number of cylinder, that is 4. This is the cylinder capacity. Next is the piston speed. It is the average speed of the piston. It is the speed of the piston measured when it travels in 1 minute. It is called as piston speed. So which is given by the formula 2 multiply with stroke length multiply with the RPM of the engine. Next is the stroke to bore ratio. It is the ratio of internal diameter of engine to stroke length. It is called as stroke to bore ratio. In case of small engine, this ratio is equal to 1. While in case of large engine, this ratio is less than 1. Next is the mean effective pressure. It is the average pressure acting on the piston during the power stroke is called as mean effective pressure. And this mean effective pressure is calculated by formula work done by the engine divided by total cylinder volume. Thus we get the mean effective pressure. So this is all about the terms that we use in the internal combustion engine. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you for watching.